Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll in order to find this section Wallpaper and Style. As you can see here, we've got the preview of the lock screen and the home screen, and all we have to do is to simply tap on Change Wallpapers. Before we will do that, just a quick disclaimer about the color palette, which is a really cool option because your device can take the colors from the wallpaper you've got currently applied and apply them also to the menu. So for example, change the color of the icons, change the color of this phone dialer. So it's really cool, and it will create a beautiful composition together. Alright, so let's get into the wallpapers. Let's simply tap on Change Wallpapers. And here we've been transferred to some albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. Right here we've got featured ones, so pre-installed options. Here we've got some static options and also interactive ones, so the animated ones. Of course, our own gallery, so you can set your own photo as a wallpaper. There we've got some creative options, graphical options, colors, wallpaper services, and Galaxy themes. Of course, it's up to you from which section you'd like to set the wallpaper. I'd like to focus on this Galaxy themes. Of course, if you've got your account added, you will be able to choose something from the online wallpapers. Simply tap on Get More Wallpapers. And as you can see, here we've got plenty of beautiful options to choose from. Be aware that some of them are not free of charge, so you'll have to pay for them. But a good news is that at the very bottom of this list, you've got the free wallpapers. So simply tap on this section, and as you can see, there we've got free options to choose from. All you have to do is to tap on it and then simply tap on Download. After that, they will appear in this section with all albums. So let me choose maybe this one, I think, or maybe this one. I'm not really sure. I love both of them. Maybe this one. After tapping on a specific wallpaper, you can decide where you want to set it, so you can set it as a lock screen, home screen, or both, and I will pick both options, so let me tap on it. And as you can see, this is how our wallpaper will look like on the screen lock. Of course, you can change the position of this photo, you can zoom it in or out, so you can just frame it like you want to, and then tap on Done if you're happy with your choice. Now we can go back, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.